Why does one match matter when there are 48 teams in the World Cup? If that's ever confused you, you're not alone. In the next few minutes, it'll make complete sense. Here's the simple answer. The World Cup is a giant funnel. 48 teams go in, one champion comes out, and every match you watch is doing one thing, deciding who survives and who falls out. That's the whole tournament. 5 simple steps. Step 1, 48 teams. The most in World Cup history, the whole world narrowed to its best. But 48 is too many to follow at once. So the tournament splits them into pieces you can actually understand. Step 2, 12 groups. Those 48 teams split into 12 small groups, 4 teams each. Inside each group, every team plays the other 3. And this answers our big question. Why does one match matter? Because every group match is worth points. Win, you climb. Draw, you survive. Lose, and you slide toward the bottom. For these teams, one match can decide whether they stay or go home. Step 3, who survives? In every group, the top 2 teams move on automatically. That's 24 teams straight through. And even some third-place teams survive, if their results are strong enough. The 8 best go through too. So 48 teams have become 32. The funnel just got narrower. Step 4, the knockouts. Now everything changes. No points, no second chances. Win or go home. 32 teams walk in. 16 lose and they're gone. Then 16 becomes 8. 8 becomes 4. 4 becomes 2. Every round, the funnel cuts the field in half. One mistake and a team's whole World Cup is over. Step 5, the final. 2 teams. One match, everything on the line. The winner lifts the trophy and becomes champion of the world. 48 teams entered the funnel. One comes out. That's the World Cup. So next time someone asks why a match matters, picture the funnel. 48 teams, 12 groups. The top 2 plus the best third-place teams survive. 32 reach the knockouts. And round by round, it narrows down to 1. Now every match means something, and you finally get it. Want this whole tournament map in one simple guide? Grab the free World Cup 2026 Beginner Survival Guide, link in the description. Next up, Offside, the one rule that confuses every new fan made simple. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.